Empower Body Oil is a deeply moisturizing, skin regenerative, skin smoothing, all over body oil you can use morning and night year round. It absorbs right into the skin. It's non-greasy, yet it leaves a velvety, luxurious, dewy radiance, expert blended by yours truly. It's made with apricot kernel, avocado, sunflower, and jojoba, which promote the repairing of damaged skin cells. They absorb really quickly, penetrate deeply, regenerate, renew, replenish, and essential oils like cardamom and patchouli and spruce that evoke confidence and inner strength. The mantra written on the label is, I embody strength from the core of my being. That's the Empower mantra. I embody strength from the core of my being. You can recite this mantra as you use the body oil to enhance the effects of the essential oils on the mood and mindset and create a ritual around your skincare experience. You can use this morning and night, as I mentioned, or to even enhance the effects of the oil on damp skin, like right when you get out of the shower, to lock in that hydration and deeply moisturize. Made with nutrient-rich carrier oils, fatty acids, vitamins that completely repair the skin's outer acidic mantle. So you take it, I embody strength from the core of my being, take it into the palms and then bring it up and inhale it. Oh, it just smells so divine. It's so grounding. It's so empowering. I embody strength from the core of my being. Take your hair back and massage it all over, focusing on special areas like your heart, your chest, your belly, the soles of your feet. I embody strength from the core of my being. I embody strength from the core of my being, massaging it everywhere. Placing your hands on your heart, inhale. I embody, I embody, I embody. Exhale, come back to center.